Hi, my name is Antoine Barnes.
And I'm Kip Henderson.
And thank you for checking out the Kickstarter for Darkest Rout. So Darkest Rout is a fantasy thriller graphic novel about a grief-stricken teenage boy who happens across a powerful, ancient relic that thrusts him into the supernatural conflicts between demons and the Knights of the Relic, a secret society of relic wielders sworn to protect the realm of mankind. He finds himself partnering with the fallen angel working as an exorcist for hire and an occultist in a race to unravel the sudden, mysterious threat of demons in the region. So this story is actually born out of the loss of both a brother and father of mine. I wanted to craft a story that best allowed me to navigate that trauma through themes of loss, courage, and finding your way, while also capturing the magic and the flair that's universal to this fantasy genre. With this Kickstarter, we hope to inspire the next generation of fantasy and comic book lovers to see themselves reflected in the stories that they love.
Now, in order to tell the full story properly, we're actually going to split this into 4 separate volumes, each with their own respective Kickstarter. This Kickstarter is only for Volume 1, and that's to give us an opportunity to start the story and to introduce you to the characters, the artwork, and this amazing world that Antoine has crafted.
After 2.5 years, honestly, of crafting this world into a haunting yet heartfelt, suspense-driven fantasy, I thought it was just time to share with the world. And we want you to be a part of that.
And in order to make that vision come a reality, we're hoping to raise this amount of money in order to share this story with you. That money will be used to cover production, printing, the shipping, the Kickstarter costs, everything needed to get you the best copy possible so that you can read it and enjoy it.
Since this is an all-or-nothing campaign, if we don't reach our goal within the time frame, we get none of the money. 0. So we really do need you when it comes to this Kickstarter. So go support right now with one of the pledge options we have below. Each pledge option, they have different little tiers to them, different rewards, so choose wisely. And if you want to be a super supporter, please go spread the word, share it on your socials, tell family, tell friends, tell your pets, tell everybody. We want everyone to know about this to give us the best opportunity possible.
Yeah, and that funding goal that we mentioned, that's just the starting point. If we're able to raise more money than that, we're going to have awesome stretch goals as a way to thank you for the support that you show us. You can check out down below what those stretch goals are and start planning accordingly how you're going to get the word out or considering upgrading your pledge.
So the more support truly is the better. We really would appreciate it. And once again, thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's do this.
Woo-hoo.
Woo!